Hey everyone, um, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the TurboTax identity verification problem quickly. Yeah? If you're being asked to verify your identity and it's not going through, it can be really frustrating, especially when you're trying to file your taxes on time, but most of the time it's actually a simple fix once you check a few important things. So first, make sure your personal information is entered exactly as it appears on official documents. uh, your name, social security number, and date of birth must match IRS records perfectly because even a small mismatch can trigger verification issues. Next, double check the verification method you're using. Yeah, if you're receiving a code by email or phone, make sure you're entering it correctly and within the time limit before it expires. After that, check your internet connection. Sometimes a slow or unstable connection can interrupt the verification process and cause it to fail. Also, try clearing your browser cache or switching to a different browser if you're using TurboTax online. Stored data can interfere with secure verification steps. And yeah, if you've tried multiple times and it still fails, wait a little before trying again. Too many attempts in a short time can temporarily block verification. Finally, if nothing works, follow the IRS identity verification instructions or contact TurboTax support for help. Most of the time, these steps will resolve the issue and let you continue filing without any hassle. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey everyone.